Here's the hard truth. You can have great Google Ads and you still lose money if you don't use a landing page or if it's not converting. In this video, I'll explain what a landing page is and why it's so important for Google Ads. Hi, I'm Jasmin. If you're still sending Google Ads traffic to your homepage, this video is for you. It will help you understand why a landing page clearly improves your results. So first of all, I want to ask you a question. If you see these two sites, what do you think? Will both of them have the same success in Google Ads, or which one will perform better? So the truth is, your ads will always fail when your basics are bad. So the left side here, it's not really a landing page, it's just horrible and not really clear. While on the right side, you will see a proper landing page with one clear message. So we can expect that the right one will be much more successful than the left one. So actually most beginners send ads to their homepage, and that's a big mistake. So I want to show you the difference between a landing page versus a homepage. So let's start with a homepage. Here we are on a normal homepage. So here you can actually see that there is many topics. So you have a menu, you can click on that. Here, like a new tabs will be open. And yeah, so you have many different topics and kind of many distractions. So this is a typical homepage. What is a landing page? A landing page is a specific page designed for one single goal. And that goal could be getting a lead or sign up, booking a call, or selling a product. Unlike a normal website, a landing page has one clear message, one clear action, and is built for conversions and not for browsing. So a landing page is where your Google Ads traffic should land. And this is a landing page. So a landing page contains one offer for one audience and one call to action. So here is the call to action, like book online or call. Because if someone actually searches for an emergency plumber, they don't want to read about your company history. They don't want to click through endless menus. They just want help right now, clear service, and easy contact. So this is what a landing page does. And that's what I just said. So what every landing page needs. First of all, you should keep your landing page simple. You don't need a fancy design. The landing page should be simple and clear. You have to have a clear headline. The headline should match the keyword and the ad. For example, if you're an emergency plumber in Melbourne and your keyword is emergency plumber, your headline of your landing page can be emergency plumber in Melbourne 24/7 service. Then it should contain a short explanation. For example, what you offer, who is your offer for, and why it helps people. So no long text, just simple explanations and simple language. Then you should have one clear call to action. Only one. For example, get a free quote, book a call, or contact us now. And don't confuse the visitors with multiple actions. And then optional but very powerful are some trust elements, for example, reviews, testimonials, or certifications, because these reduce hesitation of potential customers. So now I want to show you a very good and ideal landing page. So imagine a user types this in, emergency plumber Melbourne, and here you see the sponsored results. So here the first ad we see, you already see that our keyword is written in the headline and is written in the description. So it's a very, very high relevance. As well, you have already here a clear call to action, call us. So this is their landing page. Their landing page is very nice and clear. They included the keyword emergency plumber in the website. So actually it matches the ad and it should be like that. So it's very, very good. As well, they don't have so many distractions. Like the user knows exactly what to do. They have a clear call to action, which is like a call. And as well, they have included the reviews here. This builds trust. And here they have certifications. So this is how a perfect landing page should look like. So why landing pages matter for Google Ads? Reason number one, higher conversion rates. Landing pages are focused. Less distraction means more action. So this means more leads, more sales, and a better performance. Reason number 2, a lower cost per click. Google looks at the relevance. If your keyword, the ad, and your landing page all match, then Google rewards you. So better relevance means a better quality score, and this means a lower cost per click. And reason number 3, better user experience. People click your ad because they expected something specific. So a good landing page should match the promise in the ad, loads fast, and is easy to understand. And this builds trust instantly. And these common beginner mistakes you should avoid with your landing page. You should not send ads to the homepage. This is an absolute no-go. We already talked about that. Then you should not have one page for multiple offers. Too many buttons and links, like too many distractions, are not good either. And as well, slow landing pages are a no-go. And if the message doesn't match your ad. So you must remember that Google Ads is not magic. Google Ads doesn't fix weak landing pages. And now I'm going to show you where you can see how Google is rating your landing page experience. So you have to go under campaigns and then audience, keywords and content under keywords. And then you see all your keywords. Then you click under columns. You do modify columns. And then you go under quality score. And here you can select the landing page experience. You click apply. And then you can see the landing page experience pops up here. So if you see something like that below average, it really means you have to work on your landing page experience. At the end, I have one simple rule for you to remember. So you have to think that your ad makes a promise. Your landing page must keep that promise. The headline and the content of your landing page, they must directly reflect what was promised in your ad. If the keyword, the ad, and the page don't match, your performance will drop. So as a recap, your landing page should be focused, goal-driven, and built for conversions. If you want better Google Ads results, you don't need more ads. You need a better landing page. If this video helped you to understand what a landing page really is and why it matters for Google Ads, feel free to subscribe for weekly beginner-friendly tutorials. I explain everything as simple as possible. And if you ever need help with your Google Ads, my Calendly link is in the video description.